Hi there. Welcome to our tutorial on how to write the introduction section of a research paper. The introduction is a crucial part of your paper as it is the first thing that your readers will see. It should provide an overview of the main points that you will be discussing in your paper and should also set the stage for your research by providing some background information and context. In this tutorial, we'll go over some key tips for writing an effective introduction for your research paper, using examples to illustrate each point. First, it's important to start with a clear and concise statement of your research question or problem. This should be the main focus of your introduction and should be phrased in a way that clearly communicates the purpose of your research. For example, the main aim of this study is to investigate the effects of social media use on adolescents' mental health. Next, you'll want to provide some context for your research by briefly reviewing the relevant literature in your field. This can include previous studies or theories that are related to your topic. It's important to strike a balance here and not get too bogged down in the details of previous research, but rather provide enough context to give your readers a sense of the current state of knowledge on your topic. For example, previous research has suggested that social media use may be associated with negative impacts on mental health, particularly in young people. However, the exact nature of this relationship is still not fully understood. Finally, you'll want to clearly state the objectives or goals of your research. This should include a brief overview of what you hope to accomplish with your study and how it will contribute to the field. For example, the present study aims to contribute to our understanding of the relationship between social media use and mental health by examining the specific types of social media use that are most strongly associated with mental health outcomes in adolescents. In conclusion, the introduction of your research paper is a crucial part of your paper that should provide a clear overview of your research question, provide some context for your study, and state the objectives or goals of your research. By following these tips and using examples to illustrate your points, you can write an effective introduction for your research paper.